Hello everyone, this is DM2166. It is a 2000 Nissan Cima. This is being sold through our premium inventory. It has these awesome walled wheels on it. Walled? Nope, SSR wheels on it. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd love to send you pictures or video, whatever you'd like to see. I'm just going to walk around and show this thing off to you. I love a Nissan Cima. And this one also has the rear power seats. Love it. A few controls here as well. Oh man, it looks like the factory plastic's still on that. See the little ripples at the top there? Super cool. Oh look, it even has seat doilies. So if you would like to put those on, you can. It's got a 12-disc, 8-disc changer over here. Nice and clean. And lastly, we'll check out under the hood. I love the mascot too. The VH41DE engine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.